Come on, hit it. Put down your purse and hit it.
Good job.
Hit it harder than that, mister. There you go.
Woo! Careful.
Careful, barefoot construction. Hey, you're gonna get a splinter. Gotta be careful. Pry it. Turn it. Turn it. Now push that way. Now push down.